How to add the Rexas Finance token to Trust Wallet. So to be able to do that, make sure to open the token in CoinMarketCap as you can see here, and go to contracts and copy the token address. So remember, this token address it's under the Ethereum network. Now go and open your Trust Wallet. Now after that, log into your accounts like that. So after you log into your wallet, now scroll down, click on Manage Crypto, click on this plus icon. Now here, search for the Ethereum network. Now scroll down until you find the Ethereum. This is it. Now click on it. Here, just paste the token address as you can see. So this is our token, Rexas Finance, as you can see. Now so let's click on Add Token. And as you can see, our token is added to our wallet. Now to make sure that this token added successfully, just go here and search for it. So this is it, RX. So if you click on it, as you can see, this is our token. So this is how to add Rexas Finance token to Trust Wallet. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.